Welcome to EDC Ideas. Today I want to present you one of my grail knives. It's a special knife to me and because I love this knife design since my childhood. The Böker Speedlock is a legendary and classic knife design from Solingen. There are a lot of different models, there are cheap versions, there are high-end versions, and I'm extremely proud to have this beauty here in my collection. This rare model comes with malachite inlays in blue and green. The scales are polished and in my opinion the highlight is the structure of the Damascus blade. You only have to press the button and the knife flips out. If you press the button again, you can close this beauty. The fit and finish of this knife is perfect, and in my opinion this model stands for the quality Solingen was able to bring in the past. As a little child I love to sit in front of all the knife catalogs and see all the amazing models from Böker, from Almar, or for example the old sock designs, but the Böker Speedlock series was always one of my favorites. And I'm extremely happy to found this beauty. It took me some years to get this one for a good price, but all in all, especially these rare models are very pricey even on the second market. You find an individual number on each model. This is number 349. For legal reasons, this is only a knife from my collection. I don't carry this beauty. Yes, but it's okay. From time to time you need a knife for the display. This model comes with different boxes or pouches. This is an old pouch for Böker Damascus knives. And I like the pouch because you can carry and store this knife without scratching the polish of the scales, and you can also secure the blade for scratching. Yes, this beauty deserves time without speaking, so I will give you some short clips that you can see the beauty of this knife. Stay tuned, have fun, and let me know in the comment section below what are your grail knives.